9 social skills that older men use to make women addicted to them. Mature men are currently emerging as highly desirable to women. Research indicates that women tend to prefer older men who possess a natural charm that captivates women. If you're an older man considering giving up on dating, it's encouraged that you hold on a bit longer. This guide will provide insights into the social skills that can make you irresistible to women. Only 96% of you who haven't subscribed. Come on guys, show some love and support. Many thanks to those who have already subscribed. The following 9 social skills are guaranteed to impress you and demonstrate how effortlessly older men can captivate women. These skills are effective regardless of the age of the women involved, so don't hesitate to use them. It's important to note that these skills are not manipulative tactics. Let's delve into Fearless Forge. Number 1. The growth mindset is a crucial social quality found in many older men. Unlike individuals who dwell on past experiences during social interactions, older men with this mindset focus on personal development and building a promising future. Women are attracted to men who demonstrate growth and ambition, as it indicates a potential for a fulfilling and enduring relationship. Embracing a growth mindset not only adds value to your life, but also strengthens your connection with your partner, fostering a foundation for long-term commitment. Older men often showcase this mindset in their conversations, expressing their goals, dreams, and aspirations, which in turn captivates women and ignites their enthusiasm for a shared future together. Number 2. As you age, you naturally accumulate wisdom and experience, which can enhance your intuition and understanding of various situations. Older men often leverage this wisdom to their benefit. This might involve strategies like speaking less and actively listening, or empowering the woman to take the lead in decision-making during dates. By doing so, older men gain valuable insights and information, which demonstrates genuine interest when they do contribute to the conversation. A common mistake many young individuals make is attempting to dominate conversations. However, by learning to be attentive and allowing space for others to speak, your conversational skills will appear more impressive and you'll always find engaging topics to discuss. Number 3, ending on a positive note and leaving her intrigued is crucial. Engaging in drama or negativity only leaves her with a negative impression of you. Many men fall into this trap when things don't go their way, jeopardizing their chances with a woman. However, older men recognize the importance of patience and understanding that good things take time. By playing the long game, they acknowledge that not everything unfolds on the first date. This mindset allows them to end the date, leaving her wanting more while maintaining grace and dignity. This could mean refraining from a goodnight kiss or any physical expectations, opting instead for subtle flirting. That leaves her eagerly anticipating the next encounter. Number 4, highlighting personal achievements is important, but it's essential to clarify that success isn't solely tied to age. While there are certainly younger individuals who achieve significant success, studies indicate that wealth tends to accumulate with age, especially for those with years of professional experience. Older men often leverage their accumulated wealth to plan impressive and financially rewarding dates. However, it's crucial not to flaunt wealth blatantly. Instead of opting for typical date spots like bars, consider upscale dining establishments, which are particularly appealing to women as they age. This shift in approach demonstrates sophistication and refinement, qualities that are highly desirable. Avoid showering her with extravagant gifts. Instead, invest in experiences that align with both of your interests, conveying that you're not trying to impress her, but rather sharing your standard lifestyle. Number 5, as you age, you develop a more mature approach to handling problems and drama. While women may often engage in gossip and complaints, it's important to demonstrate maturity by avoiding such behaviors typically associated with younger individuals. Older men exude self-confidence, knowing they no longer need to prove themselves to anyone. This confidence sets them apart from younger individuals still striving to establish themselves. Incorporating stoicism into your demeanor can make you appear in different and mysterious traits that are universally attractive, regardless of age. This air of mystery can captivate a woman, leaving her intrigued and wanting to uncover more about you, much like solving a mystery. However, it's crucial not to fake this demeanor, as women are often intuitive and can detect insincerity. Authenticity is key. So gradually embrace stoic traits as part of your natural self, rather than forcing them. Number 6, taking care of your appearance is essential, whether you're in your 20s or 40s. Looking good isn't just about physical attractiveness. It also reflects psychological factors like discipline and self-care. Demonstrating discipline in grooming and maintaining your appearance shows that you value how others perceive you. This can lead to genuine compliments and conversations rather than seeking validation. For example, if she calls you handsome or attractive, it sets a positive tone for flirting or playful banter. However, this requires effort behind the scenes, such as staying in shape, which can enhance your dating prospects regardless of age. Taking care of yourself is an investment that pays off in the dating arena and beyond. So hit the gym and enjoy the benefits of looking and feeling your best. Number 7, avoiding displays of insecurity is crucial, particularly in the contemporary dating landscape. Insecurity has become a major turn-off for women as societal norms increasingly emphasize female empowerment. Consequently, men often struggle with feelings of insecurity, which can hinder their attractiveness. Women may anticipate some level of insecurity from the men they date, manifesting subtly through inquiries about past relationships or concerns about competition from other men. However, as a mature man, it's important not to be perturbed by such matters, especially in the early stages of dating. Demonstrating self-assurance signals to her that you are comfortable with yourself and could potentially be a reliable partner for the long term. Number 8, exhibiting decisiveness is a hallmark of maturity, showcasing your wealth of experience, which is highly appealing to women. Many older men leverage this trait by confidently making decisions without hesitation. For instance, when choosing a date location, instead of overly considering her preferences, a decisive man will assertively make a choice and stick to it. This decisiveness subtly conveys authority, which is often welcomed by women in today's society, where men sometimes falter in making important decisions, leaving women to take the lead. By asserting yourself and making decisive choices, you communicate an important message to her that you possess the confidence and capability to lead and take charge when necessary. This empowerment and control are qualities that women often seek in a partner who knows what he wants, presenting you with a perfect opportunity to demonstrate your suitability. Number 9. Lastly, one social skill that truly distinguishes you from other men is your body language. With your age comes experience, likely including past dates, granting you the confidence to exude calm and assurance through your body language. Recognizing that you're no longer a novice allows you to interact with her confidently, understanding that there's little to lose, thus alleviating much of the pressure. Mastering your body language during dates ensures you always have the potential for a follow-up, rather than giving up prematurely. It's time to embrace your age and wisdom in a manner that captivates women, fostering an addictive allure. It's never too late to break free from mediocrity and command attention through your presence.